All right, YouTubes. I got a call for a walk-in freezer. The customer said he had another company fix it when I guess it went out. And now he's complaining that there's icicles all over the place. So I don't know if we're having a defrost issue or a long defrost issue, or maybe the drain pan heaters failed, so the water's dripping into the box during defrost. We'll have to go take a look. And then he also said he's got a door gasket he wants me to order. So I haven't done a door gasket in a while, man, so that's kind of exciting. So let's get out there and we'll take a look, see what's going on. So this is what's happening to some restaurants in California. We've been extended to go only. This used to be the dining area. And so this is the dining area. It's just to goes only. Everything's blocked off. Terrible. All right, let's go. Let's check out this gasket first. The gasket was just for a true reach-in freezer. Pretty simple. What do we got here? 39. Combo box. Let me roll some of this out. Stalactites. There's water for sure. See what's going on up there. All right, there's our freezer unit. I'm gonna turn it off. Yeah, disconnects are up there. I want to take a look at this thing. Then I might even run it through a defrost, and you know what, maybe we'll just put it in a defrost and see what it does. I want to see what it does. Frost. Bam. All right, let me open up the lid here. All right, here's my drain hose. Looks like it's been pretty dry. It looks like an air buildup. So check out the drain pan is looking good. There's no like overage from the drain pan. And the drain pan looks clean, the coil looks clean, but all the ice is building up where the fans are. Maybe this wasn't sealing good and we're getting an air leak in there, see? That's what I'm thinking. Then maybe one drain. That looks like a drain from a leak from a drain pan right there. This is from the drain pan, that corner, for sure. Down here, melting some icicles off. And I'm looking at the cover and I'm noticing, hey man, that's not lining up. And then I'm looking right here and I'm looking, you guys might not be able to see that, but I'm looking at mega capitosis. Let me get my drill. I want to take this off. I don't think this is back on right. I think it's backwards. And there's a gasket right up there where this baffle is supposed to seal with, and the baffle's not sealing. I think the air's shorting. That's what I'm looking at. Look. Capitosis. Breaker 19, we've hit the mother load. See this? That looks like air infiltration to me. There's this gasket right here in this baffle, and it separates the supply air from the return air. Look, I got the lid open up there. So let me work on this here. All right, we got the ice. I got the ice. But, you know, I just pulled it down out of there, and you'll see the gapitosis right here. Gapitosis, necrosis. And anywhere air can get in is going to make ice in a freezer. And that's a fact. Gapitosis, necrosis. So I need to talk to them about getting this thing turned off and then coming in and sealing everything up as good as I can. You can see where all this gasket was put in there. And sometimes that's about all you can do. Yeah, the door gasket looks good. You know, they keep this door open. This thing's running. Anywhere air gets to, you're gonna make ice like that. This is a lot. It's been a long time coming right here. Long time. Nothing like the capsule pack units up, you know, above the box. What's up? Oh man. End of a long day. This is going to need to be all sealed, the outside gasket, corners of the box where it penetrates through. It's just all air infiltration. The box breaking down, you know, it's getting old. Getting old. That's my exit right there through the T-bar. Pink. Gotta love it. Got to love it.